While analytics keeps track of your activities and active users in the platform for your view, our reporting page is a bit more robust. This is where you can download a CSV file of just about any metric you want to see. We segment the available reports into 3 styles. Those are user activity, teams activities, and courses. Each one can be generated for specific date ranges or the pre-selected options we have. But what's actually available in these reports? Well, the answer is it depends. Each style comes with its own data points under the advanced options. Want a report just on the last login date? We can do that. Need to know the average course completion for your teams? We've got you covered. You have a lot of flexibility in the reports that you're able to generate. If you need to run through all the available options, feel free to reach out to your INE success team. When you generate a report, it takes a few moments for that to compile the data you selected. You'll receive an email once it's completed, prompting you to download that report. Additionally, a history of your reports will be found on this page, including the latest one that you generate. Those are available to download immediately, saving you from generating multiples of the same report. Now we move on to our final video of the series, how to make and use custom playlists for your team.